Welcome to History to Remember, where we explore the moments that changed humanity forever. Not just dates, not just facts, but the human stories behind history's greatest tragedies and turning points. Because history is not meant to be forgotten, it is meant to be remembered. This series explores Europe's deadliest disasters, events that killed tens of thousands. And no earthquake in Europe would prove deadlier than what struck southern Italy in 1908. It was just after dawn, the city was silent, then at 5:20 inches the morning, the earth began to move. In less than a minute, two cities were almost completely destroyed. At the start of the 20th century, Messina and Reggio Calabria were thriving port cities closely linked by trade and family. But few understood the danger beneath them. There was no warning, no alarms. Only seconds before disaster, the magnitude 7.1 earthquake struck with terrifying force. The shaking lasted only 37 seconds, but that was enough. Buildings collapsed instantly, entire neighborhoods crumbled. Messina and Reggio Calabria were reduced to ruins, trapping thousands beneath the rubble. Many survivors ran toward the sea, believing open space meant safety. But the water withdrew, then the tsunami arrived. Waves up to 12 meters high slammed into both coasts, drowning those who had just escaped the quake in a second wave of death. Nearly 90% of buildings in Messina and Reggio Calabria were destroyed. Telegraph lines were cut, railways collapsed, rescue was delayed. An estimated 80,000 to 120,000 people were dead, making it the deadliest earthquake in European history. The scale of destruction shocked the world, and international aid arrived by sea. Survivors were evacuated, many never to return. Others emigrated, carrying the memory of 1908 across the globe. From the ruins came change. Italy introduced its first national seismic building codes. Cities were rebuilt with wider streets and stronger structures, making the earthquake a turning point in disaster preparedness. The Messina earthquake lasted less than a minute, but its consequences lasted generations. It remains Europe's deadliest earthquake, a stark reminder of how fragile life can be when the earth itself turns against us. If this story moved you, subscribe to History to Remember. Next, we explore another disaster that reshaped Europe forever. Until then, remember history.